Hello everyone! Welcome again! If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So, let's start! Today, we're going to see how to find or change PayPal username. The username is essential for receiving money. It's our ID. If we need to find out what's our PayPal username, we should follow these steps. First, you have to open PayPal in any browser, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other. Log in with our password and username. Once we are inside, look for the option that says Send and Request. Then click on More. After that, select Get Started. And below, manage your PayPal profile. If it's not configured yet, you will be prompted to choose a username. Otherwise, your current username will be displayed, and you can share it with whomever you wish. Okay, friends, by following these steps, you will be able to easily find your username. That's all. Now, you're ready to use it again. I hope this tutorial video helped you to solve this issue. See you next time!